let's go! All aboard Choo-Choo, let's go! How? Color train is in a row. How? Every car a color bright. Hop on in, hold tight, hold tight. Red car! First stop, red, come take a look. Red like apples in a book. Stop sign shining big and bold. Load them on just like we're told. Clackety-clack, the train goes on. Red car full, now red is gone. Color train go fast, go far. Philly's brightly painted car. Sorting colors all the way. Choo-choo-choo, come sing and play. Choo-choo-choo. Next stop, blue, the bubbles pop. Blue fish wiggle, flop, flop, flop. Scoop them up and load them in. Blue car ready, watch it spin. Clackety-clack, we roll along. Blue world sings a bubbly song. Color train go fast, go far. Philly's brightly painted car. Sorting colors all the way. Choo-choo-choo, come sing and play. Choo-choo-choo. Hello yellow, warm and bright. Sunshine glowing, pure delight. Little ducks go waddling through. Yellow things for me and you. Clackety-clack, the wheels go round. Yellow's loaded, homeward bound. Green time, who the forest calls. Ho! Leaves are dancing as each falls. Ho! Frogs go ribbit, hop and sway. Ho! Load green goodies right away. Kite, kite, kite. Purple planet, here we glide. Gems and clouds on every side. Pick the sparkles, load them high. Purple treasures reach the sky. Clackety-clack, now off we zoom. Purple shines across the room. Every car is filled just right. Color shining big and bright. Back we go, hip, hip, hooray. Color train saves the day. Choo-choo-choo, all friends aboard. Colors learned, adventure scored.